It is an unwritten rule that his 42 predecessors have honored, that of refraining from directly attacking whoever you succeed in office. But like with many other rule books, President Donald Trump is trashing this one too. In a series of dawn tweets, Trump kicked off another storm by directly accusing Obama of ordering the eavesdropping of his phone when Trump was campaigning to inherit his office. He said, "Terrible. Just found out that Obama had my wires tapped in Trump Tower just before the victory. Nothing found." Ironically, Trump stands accused of conniving with the Russian intelligence to illegally wiretap the campaign office of Hillary Clinton, his main challenger in last year's election. But Trump now claims to know the real culprit. He said, "How low has Obama gone to tap my phones during the very sacred election process? Bad or sick guy?" Trump hinting at possible legal action against Obama when he said, "I would bet a good lawyer could make a great case out of the fact that President Obama was tapping my phones in October, just prior to election." True to his habit of wild allegations and liberal approach to facts, Trump did not cite any evidence to back claims against Obama. In truth, an American president cannot order wiretapping. This can only be undertaken by the Department of Justice after a mandatory approval by a judge. For Citizen Weekend, I am Anne Mawathe.